Hey, woodcutters, TopSaw here, clearing some property using a Bobcat 331. It's a beautiful machine, has a thumb on the front, and the video is just how to turn that thumb on if you don't know. It's a couple safety things on here. The first is it will not run unless you drop this arm down, so it won't give you anything until that's down. And then when you're in here, you have to hit this auxiliary hydraulic button for the thumb to work. So every time you turn it off, it resets it. So you got to start it up, hit that auxiliary hydraulic. And then this is a thumb activate right here, open, close. And then this is a super cool feature here. This is a quick open. So you hit it, it'll open and drop what you have in there. And you hit it again and it'll stop it. So that's really nice. And that's all for the thumb on the Bobcat 331.